To connect AirPods Pro 3rd generation into any of the devices, you will have to start and make sure that you turn on Bluetooth on your device. So iPhone, Android, TV, tablet, PlayStation, whatever. Just simply turn it on. If you have iOS devices, then after opening that charging case, it will automatically goes into the pairing mode and you should get this pop-up notification. So you have to just click connect button. In my case, I've got old version of iOS, so I have to click setup with limited functionality. But what if you don't have this pop-up? You will have to just close this case one more time, open it and double tap over here to simply enter for the pairing mode. Yeah, that's basically everything. And now additionally, if there's something not working, you can just simply turn off Bluetooth and wait until your AirPods Pro 3rd generation appears on available devices list.